What is Vararg? So, okay, Vararg is something that, like, I'm not sure if people usually use it right now, but it is available here. So you can just add like your data type here, and you can add three dots here, and you can put args here. This is like a way of adding any type of argument you want. So let's say, for example, for every arg here, so I'm gonna say string args, then I'm gonna just print this kind of argument here. And here we, in our method, you can say method to return to one. This one should be void, it shouldn't really return anything, and I'm gonna rename it do something, and we're gonna be passing anything that wants. Let's say Steven. Let's add one more. Yeah, our var is the main point that you can assign any number of values that you want here. So let's say hi, let's say kaka, and you can just, like you said, like seriously, it has like no limit at all. You can just assign so many stuff. So let's see, do it here. I'm just for the sake of proving the point, I'm gonna do this one here. So you see, I have added so many, and just add semicolon at the end if you're gonna be running it, and it's gonna be running normally. Yeah, if you try to multiply this one here, which is amazing, it won't really matter. And if you run it again, see, any number of arguments you can pass, and it's gonna be working fine. So yeah, this is var args.